Before heading to the kitchen, we stopped by a local market to learn about the ingredients we'd be using. Our cooking instructor walked us through the herbs, spices, and produce that give Thai dishes their unique flavor.
So this whole area here is called Katu. It's a residential area, so local people live here, so you'll mostly see only local businesses and local houses here, and this is like the local afternoon market for the people. Normally buy all our fresh vegetables from. Come closer. And these are the main types of chilies that we use in our cooking. This is the bird-eye chili. The tiny chili you see here are bird-eye chili. The bird-eye chili is one of the spiciest chilies here, even spicier than the average Thai chili and the chili pepper here. So, and when preparing the chili at the school, the finer you chop the chili, the spicier it is. Oh, wow. The seeds and the white flesh is what makes it spicy. Herbs that we use in our soup, like aroma soups, like tom yum soup, tom kha gai. We have the lemongrass, galanga ginger, and kaffir lime leaves. This is the full galanga ginger. This is what it looks like. Galanga ginger and ginger is in the same family, but galanga ginger is more citrusy, and ginger is more sweeter and spicier, more intense flavor. But we use this galanga herb in our soup, along with in the curry paste as well. And we can smell. Thank you.
What made this class stand out was that this market stop wasn't just about shopping. We actually got to taste things, see how fresh the produce was, and learn a bit about each ingredient before even cooking it. This added a whole nother layer of connection to the experience because it wasn't just about making a meal, it was about understanding the flavors and how they're rooted in the culture here in Thailand. After the market, we headed to the cooking school, which was so stunning. It was surrounded by lush greenery with trees and plants, which helped frame the different views from the windows. And it just felt worlds away from a typical enclosed kitchen, which I absolutely loved. And being so close to nature added this peaceful, almost immersive vibe to the whole experience. So then it was time to cook. So each of us had our own station, and we worked with some of the fresh ingredients that we had picked from the market, and other items were prepackaged before we arrived. Our instructor guided us step by step from prepping the herbs to balancing the sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors that make Thai food so distinctive. It was very hands-on the entire way. It's so much fun, and we could modify the dishes as we wanted to. So if we wanted to taste a certain way, she would help us and guide us on how to do that. cooking class was a full 4-course meal. So I started with the mango sticky rice dessert, which I saw in the beginning because it needed time to set. Then I made pad thai for my appetizer, tom yum soup as my soup choice, and I finished with red curry for the main entree. If you're planning a trip to Thailand, I highly recommend adding a cooking class to your itinerary. This was such an unforgettable experience. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspo and insights.